One of the best things about Arizona is that you can use your pool almost year-round. Last week, I went to a new neighborhood in Queen Creek called Bridle Ranch, and in this video, I'm giving you a tour of a modern luxury home with a pool and a pool house. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, my name is Brandy Aguirre and I'm a real estate advisor in Arizona. Be sure to subscribe because each week I post videos with real estate market updates, local Arizona highlights, and home tours like this one. The home we're seeing today is the Ambrosia model. This home has 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and is just under 3,000 square feet. Stay with me through the end of the video to catch all the features this home has to offer, like the unique industrial-style bunk beds, a modern swimming pool and hot tub, and a detached pool house. As you walk into this home, you first notice the office and the formal dining room. Both of these rooms are designed with these stacked stone walls and have these beautiful modern entryways. As you head to the living area, you notice these sky-high ceilings. These are 14-foot ceilings designed with these beautiful wood accents and these windows giving tons of natural light. As you head to the kitchen, you notice this modern stone island with a built-in seating area. The texture and the grain of this stone is beautiful. The kitchen has plenty of built-in storage space. This home was designed with top-of-the-line appliances, a butler's pantry, and a walk-in pantry. And you can see that the formal dining room is right off of the kitchen. In addition to all the windows in the home, you notice all the natural light coming in from the expansive sliding glass doors to the outdoor area. Now let's take a look at the guest rooms. Each guest room in this home offers its own private bathroom and a walk-in closet. Near the garage, there's a drop zone, which is a convenient place to put your keys and your wallet. Heading into the second guest room, you'll notice this unique industrial style bunk bed. The laundry room has built-in storage and a sink. The living room has a beautiful gas fireplace. Now let's look at the primary bedroom. The primary bathroom offers a freestanding bathtub, a walk-in shower, double sinks, and a makeup vanity. The closet in the primary bedroom is gorgeous and has tons of room to store all of your clothes and shoes. Now let me show you the outdoor space where some of the coolest features of this house are. This might look like a beautiful piece of art or a fountain, but this is actually the hot tub with an attached fireplace. Let's head into the pool house, which has its own living area, kitchen, and its own separate bedroom. The pool house features built-in shelving in the living room and a kitchen that includes a full-size fridge, a stovetop, and a wine fridge. The bedroom inside of the pool house is huge and offers its own private courtyard outside. The geometrical accent wall is the highlight of the room. The bathroom inside of the pool house offers 2 separate vanities, a walk-in shower, a bathtub with a beautiful view of the pool, and a walk-in closet. Let's head back outside to see the pool and the outdoor dining area. On the side of this home, you'll find another outdoor living area. Are you curious what a home like this costs to build? To build this home, prices start around $900,000 and go up in price depending on the features you decide to add. With all the amazing upgrades this model has, the price could range between $1.1 to $1.2 million. This home is an entertainer's dream. Between the spa, the pool, and this bocce court, there is tons of space to move around and plenty of things to do. Off of the pool, there's a covered dining area with a built-in barbecue. And something unique is this very modern outdoor shower. If this home doesn't quite fit your style, check out this luxury farmhouse I recently toured. Or better yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my weekly videos of home tours like this one, neighborhood tours, and local Arizona highlights. Thank you so much for watching.